Suicide also is legal in Vermont. It's been on the books there for almost a year and a half now. Washington has a law as well, and Montana allows it based on a previous court ruling. In New York State, currently it is banned, and voters in Massachusetts, they said no to assisted suicide back in 2012, but lawmakers there continue to research the issue. Tori Wells spoke with an expert on assisted suicide today, and joins us live from UAlbany's downtown campus. Good evening, Tori.
Good evening, Dory. This is a copy of that law that's in place in Vermont right now, and this is a copy of the one in Massachusetts that's been proposed that lawmakers are taking a look at. Now, the expert I spoke with here at UAlbany, she tells me that Brittany Maynard's story could create some momentum on this issue.
Cancer is ending my life. I am choosing to end it a little sooner and in a lot less pain and suffering.
It's a personal decision that has created a national debate. 29-year-old Brittany Maynard deciding to end her own life on Saturday after battling brain cancer.
If you're at the end, I think it should be your choice ultimately.
In Massachusetts, voters we spoke with today were split on the issue, much like they were in 2012, when a measure to allow physician-assisted suicide was narrowly rejected on the ballot.
You should be able to choose whether or not you want to suffer.
I understand it's terminal illness, but there's a lot of other ways to go about them living the rest of their lives out.
But the issue hasn't gone away. In June, the Public Health Committee ordered a study, and the group that Maynard worked with, Compassion and Choices, lists Massachusetts as one of the states it's campaigning in.
I think she's a game changer.
Dr. GIZA Lopez from UAlbany has studied this issue extensively and says Brittany Maynard spoke to a population that may not have been thinking about death in this way before.
She can reach out to younger folks for whom the issue might resonate more loudly right now and who might be in a position to vote to legalize it.
In Vermont, a law similar to Oregon's was enacted last May. This morning, the Vermont Department of Health told me that 5 people who meet the requirements of the law have submitted forms since the law was passed. We don't know if they use the medication prescribed to them. And Dr. Lopez says that the measure likely failed 2 years ago in Massachusetts because the Catholic Church there strongly opposes it. I spoke with the Massachusetts Medical Society today, and I'm told that it still opposes physician-assisted suicide, but that it does support alleviation of pain for patients and dignity at the end of life. We are live in Albany. Tori Wells, CBS 6 News.